Hi, Bob here, and this is a quick tip video on how to use digital art apps for tracing. This was a question left in the comments, and I'm not going to attempt to pronounce names because I'm useless, so their name will appear on the screen, and I would just like to say thank you for asking the question. If anybody else has got any other questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. So let's get straight into this, starting with Sketchbook Pro on Windows PC, and then I'll show you how to do it on the Android mobile Sketchbook app. Again, it applies probably to any digital art application. To start off, I've went into Google, found an image, I've right clicked and copied to the clipboard. So I paste the image. If you look at the layers panel on the right hand side of the screen, the pasted picture is on layer 2. We then add a new layer by clicking on the plus symbol. Click to highlight layer 2 so it has the blue box around it to show it is selected, and then use the little slider on the right as shown to lower the opacity of the image to a suitable level. We then click to highlight the layer we created, and we can then choose a suitable brush and start to trace around the objects or faces that we want to copy. This is a great technique to actually learn art and understand the structure of the face or structure of the object that you're trying to draw, rather than just starting with a blank piece of canvas and your eye. So we can then hide the image layer by clicking on the eye symbol in the layers panel, and it will show us our traced lines, and we can see if it looks like what we want it to look like. So moving over to mobile, we start up our Sketchbook app. This is an Ariana Grande drawing I done some time ago. Clicking on the menu button, we can then choose a new sketch or from gallery. When we get this screen, we press the plus icon as shown, then click new from image. If you click my files, then images, you can choose an image which is stored on your device and that you want to trace. Once selected, the image will eventually appear. We then open the layers panel and click on our image layer. We can then use a slider to lower the opacity. Add a new layer using the plus button, make sure it is selected, and then we can choose a brush and start to trace around the image. At the end, we can press the eye button to remove the image that we were tracing and just see what we've left with that we've sketched. And that's it. That's how to trace in digital art. If you want to see further digital art tips, check out the video in the corner. Otherwise, thank you kindly for watching, and Bob is out.